Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here with you to see one topic here. This is solar cell. Solar cell is a type of PN junction diode here. It is type of PN junction diode, same like as the other diode, but the thickness are taken of P type and N type is a something different than others. And this device is convert light energy into electrical energy. Light energy we are normally getting from sun, natural source of sun, heat and light energy. So variety this light energy and heat energy which is given by the sun is available in huge amount, and this energy can be utilized to run the household appliances by converting into electrical energy. So see very carefully, this concept is very simple to understand. Once it came in mind, it is very easy to understand the concept how this PN junction diode acts as a solar cell. This solar cell is a PN junction diode here, right? See, in this PN junction diode, there are two type of diodes. See very carefully. It is P type semiconductor, N type semiconductor. The gap between both is called depletion layer, or this depletion layer is also called potential barrier. It has a resistance. Charges cannot flow in that, right? So in the depletion layer, that is the potential barrier, and this potential barrier is to no availability of, in this area, in this depletion layer, there are no electrons, no holes are present. No electron, no holes are present. If no electron, no holes are present, what does mean? What is present in that? Atoms only. Atoms present only, and electrically it is called neutral area. See, the size of this P type and N type semiconductor we will keep under in term of micrometer. The upper surface which will be exposed for visible radiations, sunlight, it will be thin, and the P type semiconductor which will be a downward, it will be thick. Remember two words, thin and thick, but both are in which unit? Micrometer. Suppose it is a 50 micrometer, so in that condition it is 200 micrometer up to. So both are very thin. This type of solar cell PN junction diode is called solar cell, which convert light energy into electrical energy. See all the scenario, what are the mechanism takes place. Here above this green color, these are silver layer. Why silver layer are using? Because it is good conductor of electricity. More charge carriers are available for it. See why this layer we are keeping very thin? Actually the all reactions takes place at depletion layer, and it is kept very thin only because of sun rays reaches up to the depletion layer easily. Sun rays easily available to depletion layer, right? and when this reaches a depletion layer, and here the reactions takes place. What happened? See the depletion layer. Depletion layer is called potential barrier. Why it is called potential barrier? Potential barrier means here resistance is more, because no holes, no electrons are available. So all these items are electrically neutral. So atoms are found in it, and it is called a neutral area. So what happened here in the neutral when the sunlight reached here? So to see this, first of all see this concept here very carefully. These electrons, this neutral area, we are going to see the phenomena in neutral area. Where is this neutral area? In a depletion layer. In this, there are a silicon atom available. In silicon atom there is a nucleus, and around it, it is a tetravalent. 4 electrons are available, right? When sun rays falls on it, these electrons dissociate. -1 is 0. Disassociate from here. When this energy of electron, energy of a sun rays, actually in a quantum theory these are called quanta, which energy is equal to h nu. And if energy is greater than work function, see in the silicon it is potential barrier is around 0.7 eV. The silicon atom, when it's converted, this silicon atom converted into positive atom, positive ion plus -1 E0. Here holes created, and these are electrons. So when light energy falls on a germanium atom, after penetrating the upper surface is which? Negative surface, n-type. It reaches where? See in this. Sun rays falls here and reaches as a depletion layer and reach a neutral area and strikes where? Atom after penetrating n-type regions, which is very few micrometer thin layer. Clear? See, now see very carefully this diagram here to understand the fact. This is NP type semiconductor, PN type semiconductor. Here majority charge carriers are holes made. This is negative charge carrier. This both are in micrometer, but it is thick, it is thin, few micrometer. This is a depletion layer area. See very carefully the concept. If in the n type majority charge carriers are electrons, so here in the depletion layer, first surface accumulation of positive charge, whereas on the other layer which is near to the p type semiconductor, which is lies down, is the negative charge. So internal electric field is developed in a depletion layer in this direction. See it is clear. In the diagram, which silver layers are here formed, it is given here in this diagram in this side, and sun rays is penetrating and reaching up to here. After penetrating, see in the diagram, these are the sun rays, light energy, which is strike on it. When they reach in the depletion layer, see carefully the mechanism. It will be has an importance to understand the fact. They falls on a germanium atom. They dissociated both in silicon and electron. Now see in this, when this atom dissociate, electrons by the electrostatic force attracted towards this side, and atom positive charge towards it. So here in the n region, there is accumulation of negative charges. And in here P region, there is accumulation of positive holes, positive charges. See carefully here in the diagram. When this is reached here, there is a dissociation and the charges are accumulated, negative charges. Although there are negative charges available, but this negative charge, electrons moves upward and reaches on the surface, whereas this positive charge moves downward. Why this move downward? Because here is a negative plate and upper is a positive plate. So positive charge attracted towards negative plate, and thereafter here is a positive. So here accumulation of positive charge and here accumulation of negative charge over the electron. Now see the top view of this surface upper, where this silver layer is represented, and it can be explained by this diagram. This is the top view of PN junction diode solar cell, in which, see carefully, it is P type, N type. This is a depletion layer. Thin, thick, both are in micrometer. Here neutral atom. This is light energies falls on that. See, these are the top view, top surface, where silver layer is in form of fingers. With finger might see, it is kept in such a way. So the space is here provided to enter the light inside. Otherwise it completely covered with the silver. Light cannot penetrate and can reach on the depletion layer. So on solar cell, there is a fingers type, finger shape. What is this? Silver. Why silver is used? Because it is the best conductor of electricity. So these charges, negative charges, which accumulated, reach on here the surface easily, and positive on it. Clear? Now see, in this diagram you see here, in this diagram I am representing, that's why all positive charge accumulated here. When we take with a conductor wire here in it, and from here another conductor wire through it. So see here positive potential setup, here in negative. There is a potential difference is set up, and this potential difference is called EMF. If we connect a small cell here, a small battery, calculator we connect, clock we connect, so it's provide energy to clock, calculator, or this to run by the solar cell, this PN junction diode. The voltage, this voltage is called photovoltage. Why photovoltage? Because it is produced by photon, light. One photon is responsible for emission of one electron from silicon atom. This electron. So appear of charges. This is. We can make a battery of it by using solar panels, array of these PN junction diode in a mixed combination, series and parallel, and we store the we charge the battery by this solar panel device. Nowadays we are using at home also. So this is the array of PN junction diode over the solar panel, where these fingers are separated and all these are connected at one terminal, and their positive are connected at second terminal, and this is conversion of electrical energy as light energy in term of here electrical energy between the terminals. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day.